Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Bobcat T770 M Series rubber track skid steer loader. This unit is in very, very nice condition. One owner, very clean. All the white paint is original. We did paint the track frames. Cab, heat, air, 2-speed, selectable joystick, keyless dash, air ride, heated seat. Big thing, it does have high flow. Another big option does have the roller suspension system underneath this. AM/FM radio, power quick attach, 7-pin attachment control device. Guys, very nice clean T770. Yes, there's a lot of T770s in the market. When you really start diving into them, you start looking at tracks are shot, sprockets are shot, don't have roller suspension, they don't have high flow. Here's a machine that has all the options a guy would want. It is a very clean machine. Brand new 18-inch wide tracks just installed from our friends at Summit Supply. We used brand new OEM Bobcats drive sprockets. That is all done and complete. We've done a full service. All filters and oils have been changed. Hub oils have been changed. Cabin filters have been changed. We do go through a machine from one end to the other. It is a leak-free machine. It is a very, very clean rubber track skid steer that's in the market today. So we're going to start you back here at the engine bay. We're going to take you completely around this machine. You'll see here at the back engine door is very clean. It's straight. It is all original paint. We did not paint anything. There's a scuff here on this side. Other than that, that's it. Very clean. Again, this is powered by a Bobcat D34 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. These are 92 horsepower. I own a 770 and I've put over 1,000 hours on it, and I just absolutely love them. They're a very good machine. They are a truthful hoss of a machine. They really are. We went over everything in the engine bay. Again, we've serviced everything. All the filters and oils have been changed. Drive belt checked. Everything there is ready to go. Up top here, you'll commonly find these hydraulic hose holders are both broke. These are not. All the paint, the back chassis down in the track area there, everything here is very, very nice and clean, and it is original. Again, balance the undercarriage is 85% with the exclusion of brand new tracks and brand new sprockets. Up front, you're going to have a 1-inch by 8-inch cutting edge with the 230 series or 2300 series weld-on tooth and shank. That is not some auction cheap junk bucket. That is a bucket we sell here every day. That bucket's about $2,300. Power quick attach. You're going to have your hose couplings up here 1/2 inch. Male and female with 3/8 K-string. 7-pin attachment control device. Yes, this is a high flow machine. And yes, it is a joystick machine. Cab door is all complete. Heading in the cab. Suspension, air ride suspension seat. It is a heated cloth seat. We're going to hop in here. Again, very nice clean loader. This is not some auction loader. And I do say that. There's people that get aggravated that I say stuff like that, but it's very true. I don't buy auction stuff. It's somebody else's problem you're generally buying. No active codes anywhere. There's all your vitals. 1,854 hours. Tack, bolts, DR3, you can go to DR2, DR1, that's driver response, how sensitive you want the handles to be or the control handles. Joysticks, we have no error codes. Another thing, turn the headlights on, we'll also go over here, that's standard flow, now there's high flow. We have people out there telling people that their machine's high flow because it has 3 ports, but that doesn't mean anything. You actually have to go in there and make sure that you have 3, or you have, that comes up in your dash on these later M's. I'll show you here that it's 2-speed, push the operate button, 2-speed, there's snail mode, light. All M's have adjustable handles. Yes, this has air conditioning, and yes, it works. Wiper washer, AM/FM radio, 3,325 pound of lift. Your power bob attach and your ISO control over there. You can run this like H pattern on an old case. Guys, we're going to take this time, fire this machine up, start it, run it, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Thank you. So again, I am a big time fan of these machines. I feel 800s forever, and they went to a 770, and it is truthfully a day and night difference machine. It really is. Like I said, I've put over 1,000 hours on my machine. I absolutely love that skid loader. And we've owned many of these. Mine is the identical thing, other than I have a cloth seat. Mine is a older style non-air ride seat. They're a very comfortable loader. It's amazing what it will push. We have a 450 gauge dozer ourselves here. I primarily use it for putting in shale, but if we're stripping topsoil, which we build a lot of buildings here and stuff, if you're stripping topsoil, you can take this thing and put it right beside that 450 gauge, and it literally will walk away from a dozer. At that caliber size. You can see there that I'm counter rotating the tracks. The boom is nice and tight. It is not slopping around. This thing was well cared for. I do know where it come from. Very, like I said, very clean machine. It was well taken care of. And the only reason he bought last year a brand new machine at the end of the year for tax purposes, that is why he updated. Again, I love machines like this because they don't hang around very long. I did choose to put the tooth bucket on because he did keep his bucket. Now, if you do want to smooth in the same, it's called industrial track loader bucket, I will be more than glad to swap it out. They are about $100 difference in price, and I will take care of that. But I do not believe in putting on a cheap auction junk tin can bucket on a machine. I will only put on the right bucket as far as what is spec for the machine. That's just how I am. Again, if you sell a guy something that is wrong, he's not going to like it. And every time he thinks about that machine, he thinks about you selling the wrong thing. So, there again, we're very honest people here. I will give Bobcat credit. They do have a very good joystick control system. It is very smooth. That's 2-speed. It is a very good control system. There's a lot of machines I have run that are joystick that you run that thing and you need it because it's just all over the place. You can't control it. It's smooth, very jerky, and the Bobcat is not that caliber machine. The Bobcat has an absolutely wonderful joystick. You can run it. You can have a feel of the machine. I like Bobcat's joystick setup. Very, very good. So there we've showed you 2-speed. Everything there works the way it is supposed to. Bobcat uses true hydraulic power quick attach. So, showing you that. Now, we are in ISO pattern, okay? So that's everything here. Bucket, boom, curl, everything is here in this lever. We'll go ahead, we'll flip that to H pattern. Now what that does is it's moving that to that side for drive, right side drive, curl, uncurl, boom, up and down. Now, that's like an old case operates. We're going to go ahead and go back to ISO pattern. We like to show that it all works. Little safety thing, always lift your bucket up, always look up underneath there, and make sure that those pins have latched. Another thing here I'll show you, the machine does have auto level. I'm simply pulling back on the control stick and it levels me back up, okay? very clean, very, very, very nice 2019 Bobcat T770. Cab, heat, air, power quick attach, high flow, joystick, 2-speed, brand new 18-inch wide tracks. This does have the new style drive motor with the outboard brake. We like that. Very good drive motors. Use duocone seal in those just like in an excavator style planetary. But if you're looking for a nice big loader, 92 horse, 3,325 pound to lift, here's a nice machine to take a look at, guys. Very clean. You will not be disappointed in this loader. There's a lot of junk running around on the market. There's a lot of guys out there selling stuff that don't do anything. They literally take it off the auction truck, pressure wash it, put it up for sale, and they know nothing about it. But we do something way different here. We get through a machine, we know what we have, and I don't buy auction stuff. So if you guys got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.